Warning, this fucking video is not for kids. Give me a beer, you fucking dog. Alright, this is Billy Bob Tanley here, people, and this is a request from EMCA2, and it was uploaded by JCW Hitting 09 or something, and the name of this video is 3/5/09 FPL Nuclear Siren Test. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, March 5th, 2009, Florida Power and Light test of nuclear emergency warning sirens. Now, this is going to give me some anxiety, I guess. These tests take place on the first Thursday of each third month at 12 p.m. Okay, let's get on with it. These tests typically last from 5 to 15 minutes. Well, that sucks. No one wants to hear that shit. I'm not reading all this. You can fucking read that shit if you want. Yeah, I know I'm going to hear some siren from different angles and whatever. Okay. Do you not know how to get to the main video? Fuck, man. Let's just get it over with. Some siren head drugs, I guess. That's the sound he makes. Okay. Yep. I hear it. Loud. You know, you could just chop this part out and just get to the siren, but... All right, here we go.
This is only a test.
What's the point in doing it? Because not everybody's going to hear you say, this is a test. All they're going to hear is the siren part, you know. You're going to put me to sleep, come on. I better start talking or something, people, where this video is going to end up on the drunk channel, or you call it. Say something, make some fucking sounds. Holy shit.
This is only a test.
Am I being trolled here? Stupid bitch, you already said it was a test. You could have chopped that entire part out. Or just have her say it once, then chop to the main part where it starts making the sounds? Is there going to be some siren sounds or not? Because if there's not, I'm going to get really quiet. Oh. Alright, I'm waiting.
This is a test. This is only a test.
Alright. BBT, the Beer King, reacts then. That's not the sounds I expected. I thought it was going to have actual, siren head sounds. Oh well.
This is a test. This is only a test.
Yep. It's not the way I thought it was going to go, folks. I will.
This is a test. This is only a test.
Might as well just check my messages on here. Well, I ain't gonna waste my time. I can't even think of nothing to say.
This is a test. This is only a test.
You're just gonna loop and just keep on saying this is a test. No actual siren sounds. Oh well, man. So much better content out there could have sent. It's actually legit put me to sleep.
This is a test. This is only a test.
This don't even give me anxiety or nothing. I was already tired starting this anyway. What was that?
This is a test. This is only a test.
I really don't know what you expect me to say when he just does the same thing over and over. Oh, it's finally doing something. A little too late. A little too late. I don't care now. Yep, there's one siren sound. Better turn down a little bit. That's not the sound that scares me though. Yeah, seems like when I turned the volume down, it got louder. Yeah. Well, I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I don't want that going in my ear. It hurts. Yeah, that part's a little creepy. It does that. Is that it? I guess that was pretty much it. It might go up one more time. Well, buddy, with the camera, you really just wasted your time there. Learn to chop parts of your videos out.
This is only a test.
It's doing it again. Yeah. Sounds like somebody farted.
This is only a test.
Oh my God. This video drained me. It's like it just zapped my spirit out or some shit. Oh well. Got ourselves a real winner here. And there it goes again one more time. I would have broke that damn thing down. I don't think I have any of these in my neighborhood. So there you go, everyone. If y'all want to watch the original video, the link is in the description. Go check it out and shit. I'm getting the fuck out here, so yeah. My name is Billy Bob Tenley, and I approve this message.